the art of wrapping up. More than just a gift. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, wrap up. It's a common expression in the English language, and by the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means, but also how to use it like a native speaker. Wrap up, in its most literal sense, refers to the act of covering or enclosing something, typically by using paper or cloth. Just like when you wrap up a gift with wrapping paper. Example, it's my mom's birthday tomorrow, so I need to wrap up her present tonight. Apart from the literal meaning, wrap up is widely used in English in a figurative sense. 1. To conclude or finish. This is perhaps the most common figurative use. When you finish or complete a task, activity, event, or even a meeting, you can say you're wrapping it up. 2. Example, we're about to wrap up the meeting. Do you have any final questions? 3. To summarize or give a final statement. Sometimes, wrap up is used to indicate a brief summary or final statement on a topic. 4. Example, to wrap up, practicing daily is the key to mastering a new language. 1. Wrap up is often followed by a noun or a gerund, ing form. 2. Example, with noun, let's wrap up this discussion. 3. Example, with gerund, we are wrapping up filming by 6 p.m. 4. It can be used in various tenses, just like any other verb phrase. 5. Example, I wrapped up my work early yesterday. 6. It's casual but can also be used in more formal situations like business meetings. 7. Example, we will wrap up the conference with a speech from our CEO. Thanks for joining us in unraveling the many layers of the phrase, wrap up. Now that you're familiar with its multiple meanings and usages, try incorporating it into your daily English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. Until next time, happy learning and see you in the next video.